me a lot when I see our leaders tearing each other. It pains me. I want once more, I called the governor, I called the MPs, I called the MCAs, and I tried to put them together so that we have peace and we have development in this county.
Let us be truthful, because zile report za Auditor General zenye zimetolewa saa hizi ni zile za serikali zilipita.
Matters touching on accountability. Let me say in front of this church and before this church and the people of God, as members of parliament, we have no apologies to demand accountability, both at the national government level and at the county government level. At the counties of Kiambu and Nairobi are leading our country in matters and accountability and misuse of public resources. That must come to an end, and I say that without any fear of contradiction.
Kasi mingi sana ya kufanya. We have no time to listen to nonsense and theatrics and drama. We want to focus on the job that tulipewa na watu ya Kenya na ile ambayo tumepewa na rais.
Tugitigane na icio tugithie na mbere ni ati na gwataniro